Have you seen recently some of these clothing hauls which come from China and would like to know how to buy them too? In this video, I will show you how to buy, for example, these Jordan 4s, which only cost 40 bucks. So keep on watching. When you want to buy from China, you basically need to use Chinese agent because you can buy directly. So now you may be asking, what's an agent? Agent is basically this Chinese site which will connect you with the Chinese seller. So they will buy the products from the Chinese sellers for you. Then the seller will send the products in the agent's warehouse. Then the agent will take some photos of the products. You can decide if they are good or not. And if they are good, then they will pack the products and send them to your home. Maybe you have checked out agent before, but it seemed hard for you. So in this video, I will explain everything so you understand it. So after watching this video, I think you will find it easy. If you don't want to deal with agents, you can use some online store like NASneakers.com, which I recommend. You can use my code Paxo for 15% off. The shopping there is the most easiest thing you can do. It's like shopping on Amazon, but the price is slightly increased. Before we start this tutorial, I want to explain some basic terms to you. First off, it's Spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is like this Excel file where you can find loads of products, or website like mine, paxo.lol. It's really simple. You just scroll and pick the products that you like, open them on Loongbuy, and you can buy them. Next up are shops like Weidian, Taobao, and 1688. Weidian works something like, I would say, Shopify. Each seller has his own Weidian store. Then Taobao, it works like eBay, and with 1688 you buy directly from factories, so the prices are best there. You may run in some terms like QC, which is quality check. Quality check stands for photos of the products. Then if you post a QC, somebody may say it's red light or green light.
These games before!
Red light means that the product is bad and you should return it. Green light means that the product is good and you should keep it. And also somebody might message you where to see, which means where to cop. So basically he's asking for the product link. I think this covers the basics and now we can move on to the tutorial. But before we do that, don't forget to join my Discord, link in bio, where you can ask others if something is not clear too. So first up, you'll visit my website, paxo.lol, which will bring you to this page where you can set up your preferred language and currency. For the sake of this tutorial, I will keep English and US dollars. So next thing you will do is register on Loongbuy, where you will receive $300 in coupons which you can use for shipping. I will show how to use them in this tutorial, so don't worry. Click on it, it will bring you to this page. Again, you can set up your preferred language and currency. Then you will sign up like normal, use your email, password, confirm the password, check this, and click sign up. You'll receive confirmation email, so don't forget to verify your account with it. So once you are registered, you should get this pop-up where you will click claim. And so now go back onto my website. You click on Spreadsheet where you will find all of the products you can buy on Loongbuy. Finding products here is really easy. You can just use these categories or filters, or you can just use this search bar and search for the product you want. So for example, I would want Jordan 1 Travis Scott, and that will show me all of the results that match my search. So for example, I have these Travis Scott Jordan 1 Fragment, Mochas, Phantoms. If you want to scroll through random products, you can just use these categories. So if you are looking for a t-shirt, you will click tops, t-shirt, and you can click on the brand you want. So for example, I want Balenciaga. You can see some Balenciaga tees here. Also, if you want to search for all products from one brand, you can use this brand filter. I'm still working on that, so that's why only Stasi is there. So now let's go back to buying products. I found these off-white dunks, so if I want to buy them, I will just click buy from Loongbuy. If I'm using the other agent, if you are already using different agent, you can use the original link. In this example, it's Weidian. It will just open this Weidian page, you can include it in your agent. And so now let's move back to buying from Loongbuy. So now you will just click buy from Loongbuy. It will bring you to this page where you can find the product. Here you can see the price in Chinese yuans and also the price you picked from this currency picker. So you can see that they cost only 60 bucks, which is really cheap because these off-whites cost, I think, more than 500 bucks. Next up is domestic shipping fee. Don't change that, just keep it at 10. It's basically shipping fee for shipping over China. So it's just like 2 bucks, which is really cheap. Next up are sizes. You can pick your preferred size. For myself, I will pick US size 9.5. For Europeans, it's 43. And under that, you can find the colorways. So for example, this one, you can pick the quantity of the products. If you want to buy more pairs in the same colorway and size, so just pick your amount. I'll just keep it at 1. One thing I need to mention is that some sellers do not include sizes like this, so you may need to write it in manually. So I will show you how to do that now. You will go to remark option and then you will type in your size. So for example, if I want the US size 9.5, I will type in size US 9.5. For Europeans, EU 43. If you scroll down on this page, you can find some additional photos. In this example, there are not a lot of them, only this one. And so if you want to buy this product, you will check this box and either you will click add to cart if you want to continue shopping for more products, or you will click buy now. I will click buy now because I want to show you how payments work. So let's go. So that will bring you to this page where you have some additional services, like shooting a video if you want to see the shoe from multiple different angles. If you are unsure about the sizing, you can buy measure insole length, so that means they will rip out the insole from the shoes and measure them. For generic brands like Nike, Adidas and New Balance, I'm not buying it because the sizing is same as original, but I would recommend it for like Balenciagas, Lenwins and other. So now if you want to pay, you can pick between two main payment methods, which are PayPal and credit card. Balance basically means that you have your account topped up with some money, so you can see I have 460 bucks. I'll pay with balance, and for the other payment methods, it's same like on any other online store. Balance, check this, click confirm submission. I'm not sure how is it with new accounts, but you will most likely have to set up payment password, which is basically a safety feature, so if somebody got somehow in your account, they won't be able to spend your money or send your packages. So now the only thing left to do is just wait like 2 to 4 days before the products come to your warehouse. If there's any reason you want to cancel the order, you can do that easily by going to orders page on your profile. So on the orders page, it's really easy. You will just click cancel. This tab will pop up where you can choose the reason why you don't want to buy it. You can just say I don't want to buy it anymore and click submit, which will cancel the order. Also, I forgot to mention, if you need to, you can see the details about the order. It will bring you to this page where you can see Chinese tracking number. You can check it before it comes to warehouse, some additional information. And if you have any question for support, you can click consult, which will pop up with this window where you can chat with them. Okay, so now the products came to your warehouse. Again, you will go on your profile, click warehouse. It will load up this warehouse page where you can see all of the products that have arrived. Before sending out the products, I would really recommend checking out the QC photos which they take for you. So click view. It will load up this page with all of the information about the products. Again, you can contact support. So for example, if you want close-up photo of the logo, you can message them. They will take it for you and upload it right here. In these product rows, you can see volume, which is in centimeters. So here you can see all of the measurements and also weight in grams. So let's move on to the QC photos. Right here, you can see that I received this Louis Vuitton shoulder bag and we can check all of the details. You can see that the product is basically perfect. I don't see any issues with it. And also the QC quality is really good. So if you want to zoom in, you can check some close-up details. But not everything is perfect. Sometimes a product can come in the warehouse with bad stitching, bad logo, or it's just bad quality. So to return it, you will go back to warehouse page. I don't have it currently, but right here should be return button where you will input the reason. So for example, you will say that the stitching is bad or whatever. And once you confirm it, they will return the product and either of these things will happen. They will give you back your money, which you will have in your balance, or they will send you a new product. So now if everything looks good, you will just pick out the products you want. So I want this Louis Vuitton shoulder bag, this Louis Vuitton bracelet and this Van Cleef bracelet along with these football cleats. I will just select them, scroll down, click submit. That will bring me here. So listen carefully, this is really important. This remark option is for messaging support if you have some other requirements. I mostly use it to tell support that I want to fold the shoe boxes and other boxes in the package, which results in me saving money on shipping because they will fold the shoe boxes, make the volume of the package smaller, and that will basically make the shipping cheaper. Next up is customs info. Here you need to declare value like this. You need to scroll down and check estimated volumetric weight. Right here it's 1800 grams, which you will convert to kilograms. So 1.8 kg, and you will multiply it by 12. So in this example, I will just round it up to 2 kg. So in declare value, I will input 24. If you have 4 kg, then 48, and so on. I need to mention that this value is not something you pay, just for customs to know what's the value of the package. Next up is address. You will just add your address. So when adding address, you will just input your whole name, country, city, province or state, detailed address, which is your house number. Next, phone, email, and zip code. Don't worry about text number, that is just for countries like Chile. So if you are from USA, I don't think you need to worry about it. Next up is logistics quotation, where you can see multiple shipping lines and shipping companies. I always recommend for people from Europe to use DHL. Most of the time for DHL, you can find multiple lines like DHL line A, B, C, and so on. I always choose the cheapest option, and for people outside of Europe, I'm not sure what is the best shipping option, so I would recommend going on my Discord and asking other people. So I will select DHL. After that, we can select some additional services. I will explain each option. First up is label and tag removal, which costs 0. That basically means that they will take off the hang tags of products on your t-shirt, shoes, and other. Package removal, they will remove the box. Again, it's free. Vacuum packaging, I recommend it where you are shipping lots of clothes like t-shirts, hoodies, because they will put it in a plastic bag, suck out the air, it will compress the products and make the package smaller. It costs just $2. I think it's worth it because you are saving money. Simple packaging means that they will use like this plastic envelope. I would say it's something like if you ever ordered from Shein. I don't recommend it. So if you keep it unchecked, the products will come with a cardboard box, which makes the transport of the products safer. Aircon membrane filling, again, it's free. I recommend it for shipping out fragile products like electronics, and also I've seen some people shipping out glasses and cups and other things, so I recommend it for this type of stuff. Moisture barrier bag, it costs few pennies. It makes the products more resistant to moisture. Waterproof packaging, it's in the name. Corner protector, it's used on packages where they will put like this plastic cover on the edges. It makes the box more durable. Shoebox removal, it's in the name. And last option is ROSS. Don't worry about it, it's for taxes, but most of the time you don't pay any import taxes. Now, there are two options, submit and rehearsal. I always recommend clicking submit because you will pay estimated price of the shipping, which may be higher or lower than the real price, but it makes the shipping faster. So don't worry if you overpay for the shipping because they will give you back your money. And the rehearsal, you know what I mean, is a option where you will pay like $2 instead of the shipping. So with this option, instead of paying estimated shipping, you'll pay small fee. I think it's like $2, and that will make it so that they package the product and measure the real volume and weight, so you'll pay accurate price for shipping. As I said, I don't recommend it. It makes shipping slightly slower. So now click submit, confirm this. So here you can see the recap of the order. And again, payment methods. I'll pay with my balance. I can see the total price here. And if you want to use shipping coupon, click this option and select it from this drop down menu. Check this box and click confirm submission. I don't want to ship it out yet, so I won't click the confirm, but I can show you how it looks when the packages are shipped out. Once your packages are shipped out, go on your profile, click parcel. On the parcel page, you can check the details about the package. Right here are updates about the status of the package. Right here you can see the tracking number, and if you click details you can see updates about the package, but I would recommend using 17track.net for checking your package. It's better. If you want to see other things, click view. You will land on this page. Again, some details, tracking number, volume, weight, and other things. If you scroll down, you can see photos of the package. You can see how much it weighs, what things were packaged, and shipping label which will confirm that they send it to the correct address. So now, once the package is shipped out, you just need to wait 10 to 14 days before the package comes to your house. I have a few bonus tips that I want to share with you, so keep on watching. As you buy products from China, you may run into a website named Yupoo, which is basically a website where sellers share photos of their products and links. At first it may be confusing to buy from there, but I will show you how to do it. So now I have opened seller Goat, and here I will select a product that I want to buy. For example, these shorts. With most products, you can see the price right here, which is marked by this symbol, or it will be written like 45 CNY. So if you want to convert it to normal currency, so you will go on Google, you will type in 45 CNY to USD, or euro, or any other currency. Google it and it will search up the price. So now back on Yupoo, for most sellers, you can find the product link down here, which you will copy, go on Loongbuy, input it here, and search it up. But some sellers require buying from them through WhatsApp. For most of them, you can find the WhatsApp number right here, or in contact tab. You will just message them, they will send you payment link, and they can either send it directly to your house, or if you want to send it to your agent, then you need to use forwarding. So now, how to use forwarding. We'll go on Loongbuy, click forwarding, where you can see the Chinese address, which you will copy, send it to the seller, pay him the shipping fee, and then he will send you tracking number. Then the tracking number is used to verify that the package is coming for you, so make sure not to share the tracking number with any random people. So then, type the tracking number here, check this, and click submit. And last tip I want to share with you is searching for products if you can't find them on my spreadsheet. Easiest option is using image search on Loongbuy. So I will search for babe t-shirt, click on images, save this image, go on Loongbuy, click here. Once you upload it, it will search Taobao or 1688 for the product, but in my experience it's sometimes risky because you can buy products from unverified sellers, which may be low quality. Next option is going on my page and visiting my Discord server, where you can ask people if they have link for the product you want, or other option is visiting my Telegram, where I post daily finds. The Telegram looks like this. You can find image of the product, name, price, links, and other things. And last option is using Reddit for finding products. The biggest Reddit is fashion wraps, where people post their hauls. So if, for example, I found this post, I will open it. Most of the time people share the product links with the posts. Usually you can find them right here or in the comments. I found this amenity, I will copy it, go on Loongbuy, input it here, enter, and I'm on this page. Sometimes you can find links for other agents, so to use them with Loongbuy you need to go on my page, converter, we'll put the link right here. In this example, I will use the Vadian link, so type it in, click convert, and it will convert it to Loongbuy link. So that's all for this tutorial. If it helped you, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, comment what you would like to see next, and most importantly, don't forget to give me a sub and join my Discord, link in bio.